know a freestyle. And the content na ma prepare na me de ba. Credit to a big source at the mom and net. It had to do with Asante Kotoko players and 6 rules I have dropped for their mom. Well, my name is American, you'll be bonny Tirimaki can be boom the above Tindia. But that was story and Manama Siafu Frokra. Yadia Asante Kotoko players and an Kameba Beckham was a menenry. Mendrum Fientem had other things that I'm doing. And to me, drew an HSM. So, me decided say, me dey no beba o chana no pa. Pa na ma drop 6 rules fresh. Ya dey ama Asante Kotoko players. Try me. Na me be di no be di nkomo bi. Maka kire mo say, adwuma na ye wa ha no. So bet a champion. Mini story a adwuma pa me ye as a journalist, ASM analysis. So, mini story. I look at the Kotoko team, I pick issues and I analyze them. Obiambo me, and then I'm madam for back who can say, Obiambo me, Obianche me. But me story, now me confirm from other sources, so my credibility is at stake in the better. Now, which way nkomo ba ko akoso pa say Kotoko be pamu OGUM. And OGUM matches ultimatum. Whole lot of issues. And I remember catch them was over TV say, before I even move forward, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The channel has about subscribe to man. Timbeka has a some. Oda and shut down funny serious, sir. Because the last thing on the paper now the sacking of OGUM. After say the ding come the mensa kind. Na sen kame drop 6 rules now on. Kabe ti the entire sacking of OGUM here the last thing on paper. Because a normal pia koswa and no man pennyfo take his decisions on the Mransiana players. Makachro. Now what you a chief of staff, or for chief of staff, you were Kofi Bedu. Ebe wure mu ewo Kotoko training grounds. Na ko ye no sem kase ba ko de to Kotoko mrante na nim ne say wa wo gidi se uni coach OGUM ntimi nya adwuma be ka kire no mu gya kwan. So for first chief of staff me be ka kire mo say press conference na Asante Kotoko ye ne nda ho kwasa wo because team ne say is being managed from MANHYIA. Enunti ena kontompo ni aferi hene na penkra kwesi wada IMC na. He reports directly to the palace. We enya Kotoko na ye dia ma obi a ye hira no. Se bia Dr. Keke Sapon ye hira wo, Dr. Kwame Chiri ye hira wo, kona kwa ye Kotoko no. Inti yes, ubakwa ko report to ofikasiem die, but enya constant report. Ebi abebu sumi be nsiana the report biko and all the tests eba be share on your. But this time around, every activity around Kotoko, if kesim na the order neighbor. So that press conference, I was telling me we catch them when I say, "Sa press conference, kontompo ni aferi hinetiko." And in some of the kind, na in someone eshe sunwa. Akoswa no mu be bie ni ma nkofu nyima Ghana fu nyina na Kotoko tita fu nyina hu de ekoso. So Dasubei decided to talk first, and I'm telling you something. Sa press conference. I posted a video of Dasubei. The first 2 questions Kepler and Bisa. The coordinator of the press conference Bisa first 2 questions, which was very, very important. And he started by saying, one, OGUM is staying. And press conference be ya atie pa enuntie frem no ye di ka ma main speaker ne kato abonten ansa na sentrofo ya mama kwanya ma muso mabisa ma asem enti odi kan say OGUM otena or total support of the system Owie no answer Baba Yaya de no answer Adakwajachi. And owie no san answer Kotoko Jesse Hunsem. And some your man's and draw for Queen so bisa questions. So that should tell you say those 4 key areas they are important for the IMC to explain themselves to the public. The future of Ogum, Kotoko Adakwajachi, Eye Kotoko Replica Jessis, and Baba Yaya. Because Makacho said Baba Yaya onya green light. And no person answer can be bisan yendi can control. So I'm telling you today, Ogum Saken, Faton Chain. Because in penny forward team no, and dear hat team no. And I'm drama problem chatter. They believe Ogum is part of the problem. Sometimes you might not be right all the time, but they are aware of other issues within the team. And my team Ogum the other Faton Chain, Chief of Staff say, wow, you play out this 70 coach in Yajman, Brani and Jawquan. Now recently, and Komobia Mensaka and yes, Pennyfosha dear Maso Kunedu, Eye will swatter. Nom Dominic Kaka Ghana Premier League, for top coaches. Who said, is it hard to folk when opportunity be down? Say, I'm a Pamo Martin Cookman, I'm a coach. Meaning so follow discussions now. Bashir Hilford, Sika Kono, Maso Samuel Bodu, and I are prepo. Those are because Didi Dramani is with the Black Stars. Into coaches power Ghana say endorse us out. And that's why last season Kotoko Pamo. Sebu. Because when Kotoko Ogum tempted him, coach, they went to Burkina for Zebu. Zebu Coin had to work with Orlando Wellington and Ghazali. Coaches in Ghana endorse us out. So if you really want to build a project, building a project, which I idea dog to call Swakumaso, and you know catch Dr. Kwame Chase, but the team number fear do call Nako Sheshe, say Kuru Abba Hallelujah. People forget that the first time we two vocals say Kuru Abba Hallelujah, Kuru Abba what Sheshe was Dr. Kwame Chase after winning the FA Cup. And Wasaka the same thing to Ogum, meaning building from the scratch is something Fikasiem Pesoye, and Nuntina Chief of Staff say, wow, Untimin Bono, Bra, ye beja Kwamwako. Because they believe that if they give a coach an opportunity and time, it will yield results. And the second of Ogum, I'm telling you today, Chief of Staff, a Hokachere players, no. Se obeti me kan sema sebe eye tie na be free banner e bia no hye e bi bro me so ibu ha. Last time one of my videos when it can be disclosed source be, but when I raised 5 questions concerning the future of Kotoko, so Kotoko Jesse, Kotoko management, because that time where me and Tiasi I say you confirm on Nanaya that time na Nanaya yeah, this awful board, no. When I raised those questions, call free. The following night, Medro Posa Kwesiapia will be the technical director of Asante Kotoko. 80% done. Medro that story. No. Teobe TV make kasa. Tini Ogum is not resigning. And Ogum have not been given any ultimatum. And Ogum will not be fired. Telling you, it's about building. Klopp with the almost 5 years with Liverpool and some of the Premier League. The first season with the 8th, second season nobody 4th, third season 4th, nobody second and some nobody league. A third at the 8th back to back, and some nobody 5th, Abe was second. Pep Guardiola, almighty Pep Guardiola's first season at Manchester City are called trophyless. This argument has been presented to people at the top level for them to accept that if we want Kotoko to get to the top, the idea of instant success no ombe bari ne kakra. It's Kotoko recruitment na na ekoye unknown and young talent. And they kind of calm, what they say. Some of us, we defended the idea that Kotoko should go down and pick young players. Taman and I out on young critics. I said that because if you've been in football, you know that you say transfer in the way Massa Premier League players no you get the grade D. They won't tell you we've been involved in transfers. You are telling you the grade A for no. They see most of the media men say some players we are see who. First, now Division 1 player who are more print normally amount because now the only way for a Division 1 player to travel outside is to be the Premier League but say the first class Division 1 players and Division 2 players Division 1 and Division 2 players are link up so well to the extent that they don't feed the Premier League players with their first class players. Take it from me. And no can. Division 1 for me catch was a Blasters net down. Don't send about Premier League or more Blasters. Then I see be that business uncommon. So now Division 1 for no. Team say Obed FC media. So some of them can loan a player to a club in Norway. Kobo on this cap no a jan no ko. Obono sign a contract and sika all transfer ni sika wo ni team na gukura ni all transfer beba enti wo kom wo mo fem mawo Division 1 and 2 wo first class no mo fem mawo second class no kura wo tira ni yo mo fem mawo because now Division 1 and Division 2 teams na munyansa say let's build a relationship in the youth teams under 17 question under 17 let's buy na he Benab na kwhwe Park Academy mo omo players wo so through the national under 17 panoma tom. So they won't even give it to you, Kotoko, or even Hearts. If you, Kotoko and Hearts, decide to sign Premier League players, I'm telling you, the way our transfer system, the way our dollars, no, Kakrebu the Ghana cities, play or better Ghana Premier League about 3 years. How do you say the Muemia Oko Fano? Now you player, what try man on your try will be a fan now, Benano. Yes. What try will be a fan until not here. Because I say Tanzania, Ethiopia, Serbia, Moldova, Hungary, Ebu. Ombeko says here, Mozambique, you know, Ghanaian players, Bobo, Mozambique. And to play out there and say, oh, yeah, send your first, no, in the 90s. Now, open players are, who team community. Okwa no akofata kwa Man Stars player. Christian Man Stars no akofom player. Because those players, not chances of traveling outside Ghana, no. One bucket kone has I won't mean to kwanyu. Jopukun tobacco fanaba. Our team no akofo weaba. Bofo no akofo weaba. Because at that time, no, coming to Kotoko was like sending a normal cabro, no. Now in this media man, how many players na call Morta? Eya could be sir. Dreams FC players no moton cabro. Could be so Olympics. Ask Olympics, could be Legon cities. With allies before they were going to relegation, the number of players are not moton kwabutri. Into the Ebekana or my try upon any yen na Obekako. Into grade A for Munya, they say a Bogana Premier League, we are quite top scorer charter. Don't was saying and the following season or mobile. So some of us we know that Kotoko and Hearts can only come back if they go down there. And if in Premier League player no about 3 years, what trial will be on Toron? You know what will happen? Oka abu mesa ball no yemesho. Until most often, Ghanaian players who come home, the first thing they'll tell you, more trials be able to anye ya no abama. Yes, anye ya no abama. So the leaders currently managing Kotoko say. As a some coach or better tiamo, a grow team no. Tinye pay crying same view. Michael change amana time e delay nya say no say o abroche trip or abroche as na later over. Ziggy so akọ Belarus mama. If you ask good call Belarus. Minia unya kesefo no Premier League player na wakọ no akoton unya biem sa o okọ abo so on the ball son. So you have to go down there and catch them early. Na diaba no amount more time no more guru amount That is the plan. And OGUM is not going. OGUM is not going. Let's all get that understanding. Yes, there will be meetings to calm the supporters down. But now drop the rules. Penifwania Bremensia, why be do no sebe, but trafa hono. So chain so. Inti, when it's over TV is talking, listen. Because nkomo pi yakosu echiri, ni nyina intimi that de niwa. We can't disclose all here. Yamin kaya ho, in some hopa. And then you go ahead to bring some news out. Into probably your China Blasters. China Blasters. Blasters by 6 normal pound, right? China Numre. Your mommy go ahead to bring some news out. I'll bring all of them out. Let's support OGUM. We might have our differences, but it's Kotoko. And he's been brought in to do a project.